Hey y'all, welcome to Super Geeked, where we celebrate all the things that we get super geeked about. And I'm Victoria. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're not new, sorry, I know you haven't seen me in a bit, but there's a reason for that, and I'll explain in just a minute. But today I have a video for you about ThredUp. Now, I recently did a comparison video on the ThredUp Rescue Box, the Coach handbags versus the name brand handbags. And if you didn't see that video, definitely check it out when you're done with this video. But today I bought another ThredUp Rescue Box, and it's a shoebox. This is going to be a collaboration video with two of my best reselling girlfriends, Jessie over at Gorgeous and Bob over at Bob Buys. We all three bought a shoebox from ThredUp, and we're going to compare them and maybe see who got the better box. I don't know. I'm hoping that we all got great boxes, but you'll have to be the judge of that. Definitely go and check out my friends' videos after this. Links to their videos will be in the description. And if you're interested to see what I got in my ThredUp shoebox, then stick around. Yay, I'm so glad you want to watch me unbox this big ThredUp shoebox. Here it is. Oh, it's so heavy. If you're new to my channel and came over from one of my girlfriend's videos, Jessie or Bob, welcome. I'm so excited for you to be here. I am a full-time reseller. So for those of you who've been around my channel for a bit, the reason I've been gone was I went on a 2-week road trip. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably saw the pictures, but at the very end, the last day and a half of my trip, I had a cold that turned into bronchitis, that turned into severe bronchitis. I went on 2 rounds of medications, and finally, 2 weeks later, I am starting to feel like myself. I'm not 100%, but definitely feel much better. So I'm so excited to be doing this video with my girlfriends. It gave me a reason to put on some clothes, put on a little bit of makeup, and come and see you guys. And who wouldn't be excited about that? So, full disclosure, my last shoebox was a giant dud. I did not plan on getting a shoebox again until ThredUp got their act together. For a while there, their rescue boxes were pretty terrible. And if you don't know who ThredUp is one of the largest online consignment stores. They were basically created for people who are cleaning out their closets to send in items that they may want to donate, but instead you can make some money on. ThredUp photographs and list the items, and then you get a cut of the sales. But the items that they either reject and do not list on their site, or that don't sell and the person who sent it in doesn't request it back, they put into these rescue boxes. And so you could get great items, you could get terrible items. You never know. It's just one big mystery. So I got the 15 pair shoebox. It was, I believe, $80. Let's open it together now, and fingers crossed it's not a big old dud like last time. Although that video is pretty funny, so I recommend going to watch it. So ThredUp's signature tissue paper, kind of in shambles. Whoa, it is a big old mess in this box. Let me see if I can lift it up and show you. Oh, wow. It's just all thrown in here. So we'll start with the first pair that's on top. They are a pair of Sam Edelman flats. These are some leather flats. They look like the Chloe scallop flats. And these are in a size 8. They have the SC logo on it. These would be okay to sell, except for, if you can see, there's a lot of damage on this toe. So I don't really think I'm going to be listing these. The other toe is pretty gnarly itself, so those may be at. Next in my box, we have some boots. What brand? Okay, these are Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein is not a brand that I usually pick up to source for my resale business, but I will definitely check out comps on these. They're in decent condition, a little bit of heel wear there. The bottoms look good. The leather you know, has a little bit of creasing, but that's to be expected with used shoes. So little booties. This is another brand that I don't ever picked up at the thrift store. It's soft. However, these are cute. They're gold and they look like they're in good condition. I'll clean up the bottoms with some acetone and it'll get that dirt off the bottom of it. Not really any toe wear. They're a metallic. They have a metallic sheen to them. So they're cute. And this one's in good condition too. So I'll have to look up comps on these. I probably will list them, even though they're not a brand I normally sell. But I definitely think that they have value. Okay, here's another brand that I don't ever pick up. It is Sperry, but there's some cute little suede sneakers. The bottoms need to be cleaned up. I think I could clean these up. The suede is a little dirty, so I'm gonna really have to do some work, but I do have a suede brush and we'll see how we can get them looking and see how they do. So far, this box is better than the last ThredUp box I got. Dang, this tissue paper is annoying. These are cute. There's some all white platform Supergas sneakers. The bottoms look decent, just need to be cleaned up a little bit. White is pretty easy to clean and they're a cute style, definitely on trend. So those are good. What are you? Okay, I like the style of these. There's some platform sandals. The suede is definitely worn. You can see that right there. But I'll clean it up with a suede brush and see what it does. There's no brand here anymore, but if you can see the MK, these are definitely Michael Kors. There is a size and everything in the inside. They're 7.5. They are cute. So if I can, oh, and they say Michael Kors there too. So if I can get them cleaned up, these will be good. More annoying tissue paper. Okay, y'all, this tissue paper is just like shredded. Normally I save it to reuse it, but I don't know if I'll be doing that. This must be the worn suede box. That's what I'm going to call this box. Okay, these are some shooties. They're booties, but they're shoes and sandals mixed together. These are chewed up right here. There's nothing I really can do to that. The suede is beat up. Look at that. So I don't know if I'll be listing this. They are Joe's, as in Joe's jeans. I don't know how their shoes do. They would be a cute style if they weren't so ate up. And here's the match, and the match is no better. There's the suede there. And on this side, yeah. These shoes would take a lot of work to even list, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. Okay, last box I got some glitter Toms. I don't usually pick up Toms. These are some sort of like netted Toms. They have a little bit of wear on the bottoms, but the tops don't look too bad. There's a little bit of suede wear, but again, I can clean that up. Again with the damaged suede in this box. But anyway, I think that I can still sell these. I was surprised when I listed the glitter Toms. I really don't like Toms. Personally, that's not something I would pick up to sell, but they sold fairly quickly, so I should be able to get something out of it. Oh, so these are Tom's Sister Bob, and these are some wedge espadrilles. These also have some wear. Not too bad, but these are a size 5. And again, a brand I don't really sell. So if I can make a decent profit off of some of the better shoes in this box, I usually don't even list the shoes that are going to make me $10. I am not a volume seller. I try to sell items at a higher price point, and so I have longer tail items in my store. That's my business model. So some of these items that aren't going to bring me in much money, sometimes they're not worth me listing because I'm going for those bigger ticket items. But these are some sandals. These look like they're in pretty good condition, but they're very volatile. I don't sell this brand either. I think they're just like a boutique brand, but again, in decent condition. So not sure what I'll do with these. I'll check the comps on them and see if they're worth me listing. Okay, and then I have these little sandals, and they are halogen. Y'all, I am so sick that I just realized my television is on American Pickers. So like it's been playing this whole time, but I'm not going to re-record this video because I'm sick and it's taking a lot out of me to even do this video. So I guess it's just going to be in the background. I'm sorry. But anyway, these are some halogen sandals. These are actually cute, but they are so small. What size are these? These are a 5.5. But I have giant feet. I wear a size 11. So I feel for the girls with tiny feet because I hate for people to pass up larger size shoes. And I hope that people wouldn't pass up smaller shoes because people have small feet. There are people out there. Okay, more with the suede, but these look like they're in much better condition. They are some wedge sandals and they are Michael Kors. You can still see the Michael Kors on there, and then here's the bottom. These are also 5.5s, but I don't have a problem listing 5.5, so these will get listed. Okay, just a few more pairs in here and then we'll be done. Okay, what are these? These are super cute. They are leather. And they are LL Bean. It looks like somebody paid $5 for them or $2, I don't know, or $200. But anyway, they are LL Bean and they are really cute, you guys. I like these. These will be great for fall. And these are a size 9. So that's a great size. Here is the other boot. So I'll have to run comps on these. I've never picked up LL Bean, but I live in the deep south, so we don't get a lot of winter brands like LL Bean. So I'm not really sure what the comps will be on those, but we'll look them up. Oh, great. Okay, so and then we have these UGG slides. They're the crossover leather. They're in very good condition. What size are these? These are a 9 also, but very clean. So I'm very happy with these. I'm not sure the comps on these either. I have some other UGG shoes I need to list, so those will get listed also. And I've done really good with UGG. Not just their signature boots, but other shoes that I've picked up, sneakers, leather booties. They've all done really well. Okay, and last pair of shoes. These are definitely beat up. If you can see, there's wear here, but they may supposed to look like that. I'll have to check it out. Either somebody wore these to death or they're supposed to look rugged like this. And they are Fry. So there's a good possibility with Fry, some of their boots are supposed to look worn. These are all leather, size 6.5. They look bigger than a 6.5 to me, but I wonder if these are men's boots, because that looks bigger than a women's 6.5. So these may be men's Fry boots. I'll have to check them out. So Fry's generally a good brand to pick up. I definitely think I'll make a profit on this box, so I'm very happy. Much happier than my last shoebox, which was a joke. So overall, I'm really happy. I hope this video was okay for my first video back and me still being sort of under the weather. I have to tell you, I'm very hot under this ring light. As you can see, I didn't even bother putting my glasses on. I do have a ton of videos to film and that will be coming out. I still have to film the 3rd installment of when Bob and Jesse, who are doing this collaboration with me, came to visit Alicia from Murray Life and I in Mississippi. So that will be coming out. I also have a haul from my road trip that I have to film. I have that last Jomar box that I have not filmed yet, and several other videos like my What Sold video. So there will be a lot of videos coming out as I continue to be on the mend from my episode of bronchitis. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out my girlfriend's videos and see what they got in their shoe boxes. Let me know, have you gotten a ThredUp shoebox recently and how was it? Did you put out a video? Because I would love to go and see it. Don't forget on your way out to subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you here. Like this video if you enjoy the content I put out so that more people can see it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.